Welcome everybody back to the channel, coming to you with SUI Crypto. We're looking at the price of SUI today. It's set at 93 cents. It's down today 1.37%. We see we rallied up to around 97, about 98 cents. We came back down, fell down around 90 cents, then we rallied back up. We wicked our way up back to 97 cents. But each time we rallied up to get above this 30-day rolling VWAP, we have failed to stay above that. Showing weaker momentum as we come across here, as I can show you on this trend line, we've kind of got weaker each time we went up and tried to get above the 30-day and stay above the 30 days. Still bullish on, mildly bullish on SUI today. Looking for a pullback that we could come back down to retest this 7-day VWAP. Could come just below that 7-day VWAP, and this fair value gap we got below, kind of coming down, falling back under the 7-day, and then coming back up above the 7-day, testing it as support, and then going back up and retesting this 30-day VWAP. That's what I see happening for SUI. The worst case scenario of this this outcome would be that if let me set that over to the side. We come down from where we at right now, fall down, come back up, get rejected, then come back down a little lower, around 89 cents, to this lower gap we got setting below us, getting back up, testing the 7-day, and then going back up, breaking out above the 30-day again. So this is the two scenarios I want to bring to your attention here, that could happen. Just being straight up and frank and honest with you. But I do believe we're going to come down, feel this imbalance here. If that fails the 7-day, getting back above the 7-day, then we're going to pull back down lower in this other imbalance, which is a little bit, it sets to be a little bit stronger than the one above us. So, that scenario coming and this happening. Still bullish on SUI, but I wanted to bring this to your attention also. Excuse me. And this is some new news, the latest SUI news as of April 11th. CME Group to launch a SUI Futures in May 2026. Major institutional milestone. Regulated futures expected to drive new demand, liquidity, and credibility for SUI. This is being seen as a key catalyst alongside AVAX futures. SUI Foundation, right here, investors in Splice Finance, April 9th, first major DeFi investment of the year. It aims to boost cross-chain yield and operability across ecosystem. And this is another one I want to bring to your attention here, the token unlock impact. 42.94 million SUI, $36 to $40 million unlocked on April 1st. This introduced short-term volatility, but the market has largely absorbed it. People's buying SUI. I'm telling you, this is why on April 1st, they had the token unlock. So when that happened, we're seeing a little volatility in the market, but retail come in and absorbed all this unlock up. So that's bullish for SUI. Strong ecosystem momentum. 1 trillion plus in cumulative stablecoin transfers. SUI dollar, native digital dollar, live with treasury yield flowing back to the network. That's good. Turbo's Finance reporting record Q1 with AI-powered trading and USD SUI yield. Deep Book V2 DEX upgrades for institutional trading. Hashy Bitcoin Finance primitive launched on DevNet. As we can see, the price action, SUI is currently trading around 93 to 95 cents. Recently saw an 11% rally on futures news, but remains in a broader correction phase from higher levels. Analysts are watching 83 to 85 cents as critical support and $1.05 as near-term resistance. So, that being said, we could see ourselves, rally up. Well, I got $1.01 up there. Getting back up to $1.01. But I do see this getting up back up to $1.05 or better. Wanting to bring that to your attention. As you can see here on the charts, we are forming, as you can see, a W pattern. We come down, we went back up, we're coming down now. I don't know exactly where this is going to be. It's going to be between these two scenarios, here, and then we're going to rally back up, is what I want to bring to your attention. Or it's going to be this scenario right here. We come down, we went back up, we're going to come back down a little bit lower, feel this imbalance, then we're going to break out. So that's the scenario that we got. We're going back up to $1.01 to $1.05. And that's what I want to bring to you this morning on SUI. Bring you some good news. Bring you some mildly bullish on SUI today. So look for pullback, and then we'll rally right on up higher. So I want to bring that to your attention. Bring you some news on SUI. Privacy narrative. Don't know why we haven't seen it really rally like we have Zcash, but you had the token unlocks, and that had to get absorbed. So, till we see you on the next one, subscribe and like to the channel. God bless each and every one of you. Until then, keep accumulating SUI. On the next bull run cycle, you're going to be glad you did. Later.